The stem bolt on the Mantis Pro SE has the important job of holding the hinge in place. Today at Voro Motors, we will teach you how to replace the stem bolt on the Mantis Pro SE. The tools you will need are a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm Allen key. First, you will need better access to the stem bolt. With your screwdriver, unscrew and remove the front fender. Replace the 8mm Allen key into the slot and begin turning the stem bolt counterclockwise. Once you have the first stem bolt out, you can go ahead and put in the new stem bolt. Screw the stem bolt back in firm, and then place the fender back on. Check that everything feels tight, and you're ready to ride again. Thanks for watching, and make sure to share, like, and subscribe.